Today we're checking out the Barricade custom fit all-weather front and rear floor liners in black for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL 4-doors. This liner set is a great option for Wrangler owners looking to protect their cabin from mud, snow, spills, and daily wear and tear while keeping a clean and rugged interior. Alright, some of the standout features of these floor liners are their tough build, their perfect fit, and the advanced containment design. With these nice high outer edges and deep grooves molded into the surface, these liners trap everything from dirt and mud to snow and spilled drinks, keeping messes contained and away from your vehicle's carpet. This is especially important for those off-road enthusiasts who frequently track debris into their Wranglers. They're precision molded using durable thermoplastic material and designed to fit the exact contours of the JL's footwells. The custom fit ensures edge-to-edge coverage without sliding, bunching, or any awkward gaps. The front liners are equipped with retention hooks that are compatible with the Jeep's anchoring system, so they stay locked into place even during that rough driving. Meanwhile, the rear liner stretches across the entire back row, offering complete protection for the passengers and gear. The textured surface is non-slip, which helps keep your footing solid in those wet conditions, and they're also easy to remove and hose off when cleaning is needed. Whether it's muddy boots, sandy beach trips, or rainy day commuting, these liners are made to take the abuse and clean up really easily. These are built from high-density thermoplastic, and the liners resist cracking, warping, or wearing out over time. The tough yet flexible material is designed to handle harsh climates and heavy-duty use without losing its shape. The molded pattern also enhances that durability, while the black finish complements most exterior color schemes for a clean, factory-like, rugged look. Now, as far as pricing goes on this set, it's coming in right around that mid $100 range. For that price, you're getting complete front to rear floor protection with precise, secure fit and rugged durability. It's a great value for Wrangler JL owners who are looking to maintain the interior through all the seasons and all the adventures. Installation on this is super easy, so it's getting rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you're looking at just 5 minutes of your time to get these in your Jeep. Now let's head on out to the shop, and they're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how that install process goes.
What's up guys, today we're going to be installing some floor mats in our Wrangler, so let's get started. Now the first thing we'll need to do if you have them is remove our factory floor mats. They're held in by 2 locator pins, and we just need to pull up on those and pop our floor mat out. So we'll just reach down, pop that out, take out our floor mat, and you can do the same thing for the passenger side. So now we're going to remove our factory rear floor mats. Now just like the front, they do have a couple of the locator pins. However, for the rear, this is a 2-piece section that is connected at the center hump. Just got a couple of rubber locator dowels that we need to just pop up on so we can pull the driver and passenger side out. So we'll do that now. So we'll separate our middle section first. Again, this just pops up and out of place. And we'll get our 2 locators down here. We'll pull up on these. Get this to pop. We can pull this side out, and we'll do the same thing for the other side. All right, so now we can begin installing our new floor mats. We're gonna start with the rear. Now this new one is a 1-piece setup, so the easiest way to get this in is gonna be to have the front that goes under your driver and passenger seat up top and the rear section down low. So we're gonna slide this in, line the rear up, let it fall forward, and we'll just bring it back into place on both sides. And then once we have it in position, we're just going to snap those locators back into place. It uses the factory setup, so we'll just pop those right back in. So now we can get our front floor mats in. So once again, they're going to reuse those factory locators. Now we're going to take our driver's side, slide it into position. You just want to make sure the front of your floor mat is underneath your pedals and not hindering the full function of either of them. Slide this in. We'll just push down on those locators. and you can do the same thing on your passenger side. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our Barricade custom fit all-weather front and rear floor liners in black finish for your 18 to current Jeep Wrangler JL 4-door. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.